In this tutorial, I will show you how to use choose class. This will allow you to navigate, then choose a file or multiple files, and then you can select the file filters. For example, text files only, or PDF. Of course, you can do images or other filter files known as file extensions. Also, you can open image file, and you can display to image view directly. Let's create a project. The first one is FileChooser class. Does not belongs to javafx control package. It belongs to javafx.stage package. Okay, I just set title for stage. Again, I don't need these two controls, so let me just remove it. Let me make some space, enlarge it. I need 3 buttons. The first button, I'm going to use text area. Next one, I'm going to use list view. Last one, I'm going to use image view. Again, the first button, I'm going to open single file. Let's say ptn file, a ptn open file. Ptn open multiply. Last one is open image file. Handlers, I will say handle btn open file. Handle btn multifile. Handle open image file. Text area, I will say TA file. So list view LV. I'll say multiplies. Last one is IV, image view. Image view, I will say IV file. Let me remove that. So first one is handle btn open file. We need to create object of FileChooser class. So normally we can use the graphic user interface with a scene builder, but this one does not come with a scene builder. So actually it's not a part of a javafx control. So we need to type it by ourselves. Import. It doesn't have to be final, but it doesn't change the value, so I will just say final. We can set title of file chooser. I will call it as my file chooser. Next one is we can set the selected file, or we can set it as a null if we don't select anything. So everything is dealing with the file, so we use file class. So show open dialog. We are not selecting anything, so I will change the null. We need to import file class as well. Next one, I will say TA text file, append text, and I'm going to use a get absolute path. So return the absolute path name. So open a file. The chooser title is there. You can select whatever you want. So it says the absolute path, C drive, user, can, documents, and pumpkin.png. What if you don't select anything? What if you just cancel? Again, there will be an exception, okay? Invocation target exception error. So here we are going to use Ifelse statement instead of exception handling. Normally, exception handling is costly than a simple Ifelse statement. As long as file is not null, we do what we want. Otherwise, just simply display a single sentence or warning. File is not valid or invalid. This time I will show you how to set up initial directory or default directory. Normally we refer to user directory or user home directory, okay? So here we code it as initial directory. New file. We are returning to system. Get property. Then user home directory. Code it as a user.home. So user home refers to pass the user directory. Like in my case on the Windows 10 is going to be my name Ken. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, you run it, open a file. Okay, it's going to open hang on, there is an exception behind that window. So yes, I can see the problem, missing E. Again, this time it's going to open Ken, okay, my user directory. So you can select whatever you want, pictures, tomatoes, that's it. C drive, users, can, pictures, tomatoes. You can select different things, up to you. I think I need a new line, okay. Next one, I'm going to give you extension filters. So file extensions, we can select group of files. Depends on the extension type. So here, new file chooser, extension filter. we have a description and extension. So description, I will say very common one, all files. Extensions asterisk dot asterisk, that's what we use generally. So you can see the all files that shows up. On the pictures shows up everything. Pizza, that's fine. Pumpkin, again, it works exactly the same. So let me copy and paste it for next exercise. Let me put it more specific here. Set the tiles of displayed file dialog. So here, Modifiers, we are looking for show, open multiple dialog. Again, we are dealing with multiple files, so we should use a list. Okay, minor change now. We need to repeat because there are multiple objects inside the list. So I less than files dot size I plus plus. So TA append text. So files dot get I. Each time it's going to return the object, and then get absolute path will appear. I select 2, now it appears on text area. This time I'm going to show you how to display on list view. Comment it. List view is LV files, get items, then add files.getI. That's all. So then we can select multiple files, then we can send to list view object. Four of them, all up here. Okay. Here, open one of them. Let's go back. Look at here, it's all mixed up now. Text files, all files. Up here twice. Here also mixed up. So extension filters has to be reset. If you are going to use a FileChooser multiple times, you may need to reset at the beginning. and then second time and third time and so on. The method name is clear. Here also we add extension filters. We can use the method called add all. So first one, then here, second one after comma. If we want, we can add another one. Let's say something to do with the PDF. Let's try again. All files seems okay. Select one. Let's go to Modifiers. Seems okay. Include PDF. Select all image. 4 of them. Seems okay. Let's go back. Yes, it's okay now. So sometimes it's necessary to clear your extension filters. Please do so. Let me copy again. And paste it. To deal with the image, we can use image view. And with this image view, we need to use image class. So here it might be useful to know how to add multiple extensions. You can use a comma, continue, star.jpg, comma, star.zip, and then here, instead of using TA, let me comment it. We are going to use image view. So IPA file, then set the image. Image view we deal with the image class. So I will use anonymous class, new image. Inside, normally we have to use a file.url that is depreciated. So we use to URI. They represent abstract path to image file. Okay. So here say cannot find the symbol. We import image. Again, URI has to be a string value, so to string. Let's try how it works. So open image file, one of them. Now you appear on image view. Let's look at multi files. 3 of them, okay. Maybe one of them. So everything seems like working, okay. So let me quickly check whether there is any mistake or not, otherwise I will stop here. Seems okay, thank you.